at 135-pound leaders.
Just pulling my drag out.
Oh, you got a good fish then.
Yeah. Should I tighten that up a little?
I'll give it a couple clicks.
Oh, bud, get
The
him.
idea is so not to lose them.
But keep
Does
not
it matter if
yeah.
you try to winch them in or play them some?
You can play them out.
You got a
know,
barbless
stop
hook.
and-
You got a barbless hook, right?
You got a barbless hook on there. Yeah, they are barbless. So you got to keep pressure on them all the time. But you do not want to put slack in that line.
Is he coming in?
It's pulling like a, yeah, it's pulling like a toad, man. This is not a small fish.
It's not a trout.
Not a trout. Look at that pole.
I think it's a big crappie. You almost need one of those.
Yeah,
Another
if you
one?
if you got a nibble in there, just keep an
Almost
eye
need
on.
one of those waist things to put my pole in.
You got your hip right there.
See if you drill.
You're good. Just keep the line off the boat and make sure it don't touch.
He's coming up,
Don't worry
buddy.
about him going under the boat.
Oh, they'll take a run, you know, and stuff. If he goes back behind the motors, just stay away from him. Move around the seat. Come back here. Follow him. You don't have to stay up in one spot. I'll move around you to net the fish. So we'll see how big he is first. If he's a keeper, then I'll pull the net out. If he looks short, then I'll just
We're not even dropping anchor, are we?
I'm on my trolling motor. So
Double run.
You
Good,
got a
we got
double?
on. All right, double trouble. That's good. That's good. I like
Get
it.
him, Tom.
Hey, that looks decent. I like that
Let's
one.
get a triple. There he is, buddy.
That's a nice fish. All right, lift her up a little bit, Rod. Oh, he's gonna be short, but put him in the net. There we go. You got him.
Good for a picture anyway. Huh?
Yeah, it's good for a photo.